Hello there, it's James from the Clever Car Collection. Fancy seeing you there. I'm very glad you've joined me because today I'm here to show you this brilliant and very practical little Ford Car Plus. It's been very well looked after. It's got full service history, this car. It's very low mileage and it's only a Group 02 insurance. And in this video, I'll show you all around it so you can see what to expect when you come here to the brilliant Clever Car Collection to give it a test drive. Let's take a look. Right, this is our little Ford KA Plus. It's got the 1.2 litre petrol engine, 5-speed manual gearbox, and offers fuel economy on the combined cycle of 57 mpg. It's got 69 brake horsepower. It's had 3 previous owners. And as you can see, it looks fantastic in this beautiful Ford blue paintwork. We've hand polished it with our Autoglym products here, and it's come up beautifully. It's a wonderful little car. This very practical, perfect for families. And I'm going to show you all around it in this video. Anything that I've seen, I will point out so you know what to expect when you come here to see it. It will come with a 12-month MOT, a new one. It's just been serviced by our independent workshop, and you'll get a 3-month, 3,000-mile warranty as standard, and we'll upgrade that to a 12-month one if you opt for that. It's an optional extra. Right, close-ups as we go round. So it's got front fog lights, nice chrome grille. It has had a little parking scrape along the bottom there, as you can see. Little one, tiny little mark in the paintwork there. Nothing really stands out on the bonnet though. It's quite low mileage, as I say. It's done just, checking my notes, 48,700 miles. No chips on the windscreen. This wing mirror all looking good. Working down the driver's side. Nothing major really sticks out, nothing that I can really see, unless you can, apart from myself and the polished paintwork. Just show you the alloy wheels. Nice design these. As you can see, 15-inch alloys. No real marks to write home about, same with this rear one. Round the back you've got rear parking sensors. You've got a nice sized boot here, which you open by double pressing on the key. That pops open, and you've got a decent sized boot and split fold rear seats. Working round to the passenger side, this alloy wheel looking good. 5-door model this, so very practical for families, as I say. An ISOFIX on both of those rear seats, and there are 3 seat belts in the back. Carrying on working down the passenger side, again nothing really sticking out that I can see. This alloy wheel looking good too. Right, let's jump inside. Right, jumping inside. Now the Car Plus is actually based on the Ford Fiesta, so it feels very, very similar to the Ford Fiesta inside here. All of the controls are very similar. But you do get a slightly elevated driving position. So sort of like very mini SUV in style, just slightly elevated and just gives you a little bit more commanding view of the road or our showroom. Anyway, you've got electric windows all round. You've got cruise control here on the steering wheel. You've got steering wheel mounted controls on this side for the stereo. I'm just going to show you, we've got 2 keys there, which I will start up. Remote central lock-in, start the engine up to show you the dash. 5-speed manual gearbox, 12-volt power socket, aux in and USB in. You've got air conditioning here, and you've got a really nice simple display that's easy to use. You've got DAB radio, you've got a media system so you can connect for your phone for Bluetooth audio, and obviously you can answer the phone via it too. As you can see on the dash, 48,655 miles, no warning lights, just my handbrake. Right, let's have a look at the history. Right, history-wise, I've made a few notes. Now, this will be delivered to the new owner with a new 12-month MOT. It's also just had a service by our independent workshop, and it gets a pre-delivery safety inspection. Make sure everything is hunky-dory before it's delivered to you. It also comes with a 3-month, 3,000-mile warranty as standard. You can upgrade that to a 12-month one with our partners warranty-wise if you so wish. History-wise, it's full service history of this. It's a 2017 car. Registered in July 2017, services in 17, 18. in very early January 2020, then in 2021, 22, 23, 24 and 2025. So very well looked after this car, very low mileage and incredibly low insurance. 02 E is the insurance group, so actually a very good first time driver's car this. If you'd like to see it, you'd like to give it a test drive, I'm James. It's James at clevercarcollection.com. You can see loads of pictures of this car on our website. It's clevercarcollection.com. And while you're at it, please check out our reviews online on Auto Trader and on Google. We're incredibly proud of the 5-star service we give all of our customers and very much look forward to giving you exactly the same treatment when you come here to give this very practical, fun and frankly quite beautifully blue little car a test drive. Thank you very much for watching. I look forward to seeing you very soon. Goodbye.